The text link function found in the built-ins, the functions tab, and the tools folder allows us to link text with other text variables. So to set a scene up here, we're going to grab a font, drag it into the scene tree, and we're going to copy this font a couple of times and just kind of spread it out within the render window here. Okay, so I have 3 different fonts, and I'm going to go back into the built-ins, into our functions tab, and grab the text link function. So I'm going to place this on one container of the font, and when I click on the text link function to go into the editor, we have container 1 through container 10, and we have these blank boxes. Whenever we see a blank box like this, it means that Viz is waiting for some type of image or a container. In this case, it's a container. So what we're going to do is take our containers here that do not have the text link function and drag it on here. So my first text or font container I'm going to place in container 1. My second one I'm going to place in container 2. Now when I come back into my container that has the text link function on it, and I come into my text editor and start to type, when I type in here, it's going to update all 3 lines of text. So whenever you need to update multiple lines of text, you can use this text link to do it. So I have an example here of how you may want to actually use this. When we have a scene set up here such as this, we have 4 lines of text, and I can take this text link, drag it onto my headline, click on the text link function, and then I can place my other containers into here. So I have 1 here, and I'll place this in container 1. I have 2, I'll place that in container 2, and I have 3, I'll place that in container 3. When I did that, it automatically updated each line of text. So when we come back into our main container that has the text link function onto it, and we go into our text editor and we type in here, it updates that text. When you delete the text, it also deletes the text as well. So you can type whatever you want and it updates that text.